So, in order to find number of radians in the entire circle, what you have to do is, for r arc length 1 radian, or consider this example, 5 centimeter radius, arc length also 5, angle is 1 radian. Now, for 10 centimeter 2 radian, 15 centimeter 3. How many pieces you can make in the entire circle? That much of radian will be there in the entire rotation. Simple example, let me consider like this. You have given 120 centimeter length of the wire. I want pieces of this wire, each of length 30 centimeters. How many pieces you can make? If that is the question. 120 centimeter length of the wire is given. Each piece should be of length 30 centimeters. How many pieces you can make? Thing is very clear. 120 divided by 30, you can make 4 pieces. That means what you have done? Entire length of the wire is divided by length of each piece. You get number of pieces. Here also same thing you have to do. What is the total length of the wire? Means a full circle is the length of the wire. What is the length of the each piece? 5 centimeter. So what is total length of the wire? Circumference. That already you know. How to find circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula. But r is 5. This is the total length of the wire given. Divide that by length of each piece, 5. What you get? 2 pi. This is the total number of radians you can obtain in the entire rotation. So, 1 rotation equal to 2 pi radian. 1 rotation equal to 2 pi radian. Therefore, that can be obtained here also. See, just how to derive from this. Let me do like this. Angle subtended by arc length r is 1 radian, correct, no? Angle subtended by arc length r is 1 radian. Angle subtended by full circle of arc length 2 pi r is, calculate it. R is the arc length, angle. R arc length subtends 1 radian. 2 pi r means entire circle subtends how many radians? Cross multiplication, you know that. 2 pi r into 1 divided by r. Or you get the answer 2 pi. Therefore, is 2 pi radian. Just a simple calculation how you got the 2 pi radian. R arc length subtends 1 radian. 2 pi r is the entire circle. What is the angle subtended? R arc length subtends 1 radian. 2 pi r the full circle subtends how many radians? Calculate 2 pi r into 1 divided by r. 2 pi radian. Now, both the systems give you the measurement of the rotation angle. In one system, one rotation is 360 degree. Another system, one rotation is 2 pi radian. Therefore, let me combine both the result. Combining both the results together, one rotation is 2 pi radian or 360 degree. One rotation is, in one system it is 2 pi radian, in another system it is 360 degree. Or 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree, okay, comparing these two. Or pi radian equal to 180 degree divided by 2. This is first formula in trigonometry. Relation between a radian and a degree. Pi radian 180 degree. Now, problem under this is, given angle in radian, you must be able to give me in degrees. Or given the angle in degrees, you must be able to convert it into radians. This is the fundamental relation between radian and degree. Actually, value of pi is 3.142. Remember that. Pi equal to either 22 by 7 or 3.142. Value of pi. But pi radian 180 degree. Value of pi is this one. Combining both the results, you got this. Now, let me take one by one the problems. Convert the following into radian. Convert the following into radian. First one, 30 degree. Given the angle in degree, you must convert this one into radian. Let me write the formula. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Pi radian 180 degree. $30 degree equal to how much? Write the angle, given angle under this degree column, radian column. Cross multiplication once again. Here you have to do pi into 30 divided by 180. Or 3 ones are, answer is pi by 6 radian. So answer 30 degree equal to pi by 6 radian. Pi by 6 radian. Again, if you have any doubt, clarify there itself. 30 degree given. Formula is written here. Pi radian always equal to 180 degree. Given angle is in degree, no? Right under this degree column, 30. Question mark under radian. What is the value of 30 degree in a radian? Cross multiply, always these two numbers come under numerator. Question mark number comes under denominator. Problem number second. $540 degree. Pi radian 180 degree. 540 radian degree. How many radians? Cross multiplication. Pi into 540 divided by 180. Pi into 540 divided by 180. Or it is 18 ones are 3s. Answer 540 degree equal to 3 pi radian. Any number of problems you can work out. Just converting the given angle in degree into radian. Minus angle, yes, we have already know that. Negative angle means your rotation is clockwise, minus of 66 degree. Convert the angle minus 66 degree. It is pi radian equal to 180 degree minus 66 degree equal to how much? Pi into minus 66 by 180 minus 6 11s 6 30s minus 11 pi by 30. Answer is minus 11 pi by 30 radian. Converting the given angle in a degree into radian. Fourth one. Fourth one. 11 degree 30 minutes. Because the angle in a degree is not the smallest. You can give it the angle in terms of degree minute also, even in terms of second. So, given angle is 11 degree 30 minutes. Just like in money, 2 rupees 50 paisa. Here also it is 11 degree 30 minutes. Convert this one into radian. How to convert it? Actually 30 minutes what? 60 minute 1 degree, that we know. For 60 minute 1 degree. 30 minutes 30 into 1 divided by 60, or it is 1 by 2. So I can write this one as 11.5 degree. Okay, right. No more minute at all. 30 minute means half degree, see. So why can't I write 11.5? Convert this one into radian now. It is easy. Pi radian 180 degree 11.5 degree equal to how much? Same procedure. It is pi into 11.5 divided by 180. Or it is pi into, how can you write this? 22 plus 1. See, mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 11, 22 plus 1, 23 by 2 divided by 180. Converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 into 11, 22 plus 1, 23 by 2. Or it is pi into 23 divided by 2 comes to the denominator. 180 into 2. Simplify all these things. Mostly there will be no common factor. Anyway, 23 pi by 360. Radian. Answer, let me write here, see, equal to 23 pi by 360 radian. Finish. Even the given angle is in terms of degree and minute, you can convert it into radian. Possible. How? First convert that minute into degree, then convert all the degree into radian, like this. Next, write the notes in detail, carefully. Don't miss any steps. over, no? Yes, let me take example number 4th one. 4th over 5th one. Example number 5. degree 6 minutes. Need not be 30 minutes only, no? I can give 6 minutes. You know how to convert this minute into degree. 60 minutes, 1 degree. 6 minutes equal to how much? Calculate it. 6 into 1 divided by 60. 6 ones are 10s are 1 by 10. So clearly this can be written as 10, 1 by 10 degree, no minute at all. That 6 minute is there now, it is converted into degree, 1 by 10. So 10 is also degree, this 6 minute is also degree, 1 by 10. Now convert this one, pi radian into 180 degree. What about 10 1 by 10 degree equal to? Pi into 10 1 by 10 divided by 180. Or it is pi into 101. See, 10 into 10, 100 plus 1, 101 by 10 divided by 180. Or final answer will be like this: 101 pi divided by 180, 1 more 0. 10 comes to the denominator. So equal to 101 pi by 1800 radian over. Whatever may be the given angle, you can convert the angle. Even if it is in degree or degree minute, you can convert it into radian. Fifth one over. Just try at home. See this. Sixth, these are the problems for you to work out. 720 degree. Seventh, minus 1020 degree. Eighth one, 12 degree, 45 minutes. Last one, 1 degree, 15 minutes. Enough. Try to work out these problems at home. See, converting this one into radian. Let me come to the second question now. Convert the following into degree, minute or second. First problem is, now you have to write the answer in degree. Pi by 8 radian. Careful. So far I have given the angle in degree or degree minute. You have converted this angle into radian. Now the second question is, the angle is given in radian. Convert this one into degree or minute. Same formula, no doubt. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. Pi by 8 radian equal to how much? Cross multiplication is pi by 8 into 180 divided by pi. Or pi into 180 divided by 8 comes to the denominator. cancels. 8, 4 2s 4, so the answer is pi by 8 radian equal to 45 by 2 degree. 45 by 2 degree. But remember, you are not writing this one as 45 by 2 degree. Actually what it is, 2, 22, 1 by 2. This one, no? Instead of writing 45 by 2, mixed fraction is 22 and a half. So I can write this one as 22 and a half degree. Again you are not writing in this system like this. You are writing 22 degree and half degree means 30 minutes. This is the final answer. Go back to the problem once again. Pi radian 180 degree. Pi by 8 radian how much? Pi by 8 into 180 divided by pi, cross multiplication. Pi into 180, 8 comes to the denominator, 8 pi. Cancelling pi, dividing both numerator and denominator by 4, you get 45 by 2 degree. Actually we are not writing 45 by 2. Convert this one into mixed fraction form, 22 and a half. 22 and a half means you are not writing half, it is 30 minutes. Final answer will be like this. See the problem correctly again and again. Make the idea clear. Converting the given angle radian into degree. Let me take some more examples so that the idea will be clear. Problem number 2. Pi by 5 or 3 pi by 5 radian. Careful. 3 by 5, 3 pi by 5 radian. Pi radian 180 degree. 3 pi by 5 radian, how much? Cross multiplication, 3 pi by 5 into 180 divided by pi, or 3 pi by 5 pi. 3 pi numerator, 5 in the denominator. Cancelling pi, 5, 3 is 36, 108. So 3 pi by 5 radian equal to 108 degree. This type of problem, one more. Third one. 4 pi by 4 pi by, or simple one, pi by 360 radian. Convert that one into degree. Pi radian 180 degree formula. Pi by 360 equal to how much? Pi by 360 into 180 divided by pi. pi into 180 divided by 360 into pi. 1 is 2 is half degree. So answer is pi by 360 radian equal to half degree equal to 30 minutes. Equal to 30 minutes. Half degree. Problem number 4th one. 11 pi by 720 radian. 11 pi by 720 radian. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. 11 pi by 720 radian equal to how much? 11 pi by 720 into 180 divided by pi. 11 pi into 180 divided by 720 into pi. Pi cancels. 0, 1, 4. 11 by 4 degree. 11 pi by 720 radian equal to 11 by 4 degree. But you are writing this one as 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 degree. Or it is 2 degree 45 minutes. 2 degree 45 minutes.